Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we take a look at this 16-inch long SeeLeveL sensor for your RV holding tank monitor. Now this sensor is designed to adhere to the outside of your RV's holding tank to measure its fluid levels, and it sends those readings to a SeeLeveL monitor that's inside your RV. Now these sensors are not for use on metal tanks, and the monitors we mentioned, we do sell those separately on our website. There's many different styles to choose from. The size on this sensor, 16 inches in length, 2 1/4 inches wide. Now traditional tank monitors use internal sensors, and they have a reputation for being unreliable. They only use a few sensors and they're installed inside, meaning that they usually only measure in quarter increments and can send false readings if they get dirty. So what happens is when you're keeping an eye on how much fresh water you have, the difference between 25% full and empty means a lot, and that inaccuracy could be a problem. This sensor here provides readings with single-digit accuracy. The sensor has a resolution of 1/2 inch, and basically that means, for example, if your water level in your freshwater tank drops by 1/2 inch, the monitor is going to update its reading. Again, this mounts to the outside of the tank rather than using an interior probe. This will prevent false readings caused by accumulating debris, and this sensor is coated with a flexible layer for added durability. Now it can be trimmed or stacked with another sensor to fit the size of your tank. The length can be trimmed every 1 3/4 inches to match the height of your tank. And if you notice the silk screen markings they put on it between the segments, that makes it easier to see where you can cut it and fit to different tank heights. Now this one sensor here can accommodate a 7-inch up to 17-inch tall tank. You can stack additional sensors to accommodate tanks all the way up to 34 inches tall. As we mentioned, this does install easily. You just clean the tank surface, remove this 3M backing, and then stick it to the side of your holding tank. Up at the top here, these tabs, these on top of the sensor here are trimmed to indicate which tank it's on. The bus wiring will let all the sensors splice together to one line, and the existing wiring from your old tank monitor system can be used to install this. Now this is a 16-inch long sensor. It is also available in a 9-inch length, which we sell separately, part number SE28VR, and a 12-inch length, part number SE78VR. But that's going to do it for a look at this 16-inch long SeeLeveL sensor for your RV holding tank monitor.